When you're ready to go live, Pathmonk will prompt you to choose whether to show personalization to 50% or 95% of your traffic. For first-time users, we recommend starting gradually with the 50/50th split. This way, you can run a clean A/B test and clearly see the conversion rate uplift. Once you've made your choice, just click Publish Now to launch. We recommend starting with a 50/50th split to accurately measure performance. This setup lets you compare two groups under the same conditions, one without Pathmonk and one with Pathmonk. By splitting traffic evenly, both journeys get the same amount of visitors, making it clear how much impact Pathmonk is having. You can change the traffic split anytime. Click on Accelerate Growth and then go to Performance. Here, check the test that you're running. In this case, it's a 50/50. Stop it. By default, if there is no performance test, Pathmonk will run on 95% of your traffic. You can also create a new A/B test here and select the percentage. We're going to go for an 80% traffic split, meaning 80% of your visitors will see Pathmonk and the other 20% will not. Add a name to your test and save it. That's it. Pathmonk can run on the amount of traffic that you prefer.